very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Charlotte and I'm your Customer Service Manager on board this flight to London Heathrow. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. If there is anything at all we can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please do let us know. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. We will shortly be starting our onboard service, offering complimentary food and drinks to all customers. This will be followed by the opening of our Highline shop. Please do take a look at the brochure in your seat pocket. Please do not hesitate to let us know if you would like any further drinks during the flight by visiting the galley or using the call button. We will be passing through the cabin with landing cards for London Heathrow. If the United Kingdom is your final destination and you do not hold a European passport, then you will need to complete the landing card. If you are in direct transit to another international flight today, there is no need for you to complete one. If you are unsure whether you need to complete any documentation, then please do ask one of the crew. And for those customers who are transferring through London and connecting onto a flight to the United States, there are extra security measures in place. Customers on these services need to ensure that any electronic devices such as telephones, tablets, laptops and e-readers have enough power to be switched on if required by security officers. Our ground customer services team will be able to give extra assistance, and there are additional charging points in place if your device currently has run out of power. We do hope you enjoy your flight with us today.